Hi, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking Dow futures, record highs again. This is now the fourth record high in a row and the second record close in a row that we've had in the Dow. That's a pretty strong move. And you would think there were things weighing on the Dow, but really the strength just kind of continues. It's all three that have rallied. All three reached new intraday record highs today, talking about the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. Part of it helped by the data that we had today. That was mixed. We had mixed data coming out in the US in the form of retail sales. There was some good news in that retail sales data. The year-over-year number was up 3.8% August to August. So August 2016 to August 2017. That's a pretty good number, 3.8%. But the month over month was down 0.2 on the headline, down 0.2 on the core. The headline missed. It was expected to be only down 0.1. It's going to be attributed to Harvey by most people, but either way, a reduction in the growth of retail sales is a reason for the Fed to stay gradual. And that's really what this means, is the Fed is going to stay on a gradual path if they raise rates at all. Right now, the CME Fed Watch tool has the probability of a rate hike at just over 50% in December. So again, this keeps the Fed gradual when we have mixed data like this, where some components are strong, some are weak. Most of them right now have been fair to weak as opposed to strong to weak. On the geopolitical front, North Korea fired a missile over Japan, landed in the sea. They're getting closer and closer. The length that this particular missile flew puts the U.S. territory of Guam in range for North Korea. But that particular missile launch that we saw last night spiked the VIX over 10, but didn't really hurt the equities. We started out overnight with a little bit of downdraft in the equities. But again, as I mentioned, the Dow finished at a record high, reached an intraday record high, as did the other two indices, reaching that intraday record high. So the geopolitical tension isn't really bothering the equity markets right now. We also had an explosion in a London subway tube. No fatalities as of yet, but some injuries. Again, no effect on the markets. You hate talking about this stuff because you always want to worry about the health and well-being of the people, but there was no market effect. So strictly talking about North Korea, the effect that these particular events are having, especially without an aggressive response out of the White House, which we did not see, are not affecting U.S. markets. Dow finishes at a record high. This is Bob Iaccino talking Dow futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.